Applause has been instrumental in helping drive cultural change. Now we think about accessibility and inclusion up front versus an afterthought or after the fact.
Webex is the conduit for our users. It's where work happens for many customers. So we are really there to facilitate them getting their job done and making kind of work a team sport.
If Webex didn't work for a small cohort of users or even one user, one single user, if it did not work for them, a whole team could fall apart.
If I want to use something, if I have to grin and bear it to use it, it's just not worth it to me. So I'll just try to find another product that's similar to it, but easier for me to use.
When Applause stepped in here, they provided extensive testing resources and expertise, including a diverse pool of testers with disabilities, which ensured that our products were thoroughly tested for accessibility issues.
Some companies, they have accessibility experts, they'll implement those features, but those features maybe on paper it looks like it's accessible, but in reality maybe a real user doesn't find it accessible. So you need real users, and that's what I feel is very important, and I'm happy to have the opportunity to provide that feedback.
Real feedback from PWDs are so important because it really makes sure we understand the true value of our inclusive design efforts. Applause has really guided us throughout the whole journey, making sure that we get it right. They're there with resources, hands-on support, office hours for designers, and really showing us what good looks like.
When I first started working with Applause, the first thing that they added me to is the champions training, so I can firstly understand what accessibility design and research is, what disability profiles they are, what are some assistive technologies that they use.
There's also those live feedback sessions where you have your engineering, product, and design team all on a call, and you see it with your own eyes, any kind of pain points, any friction, but you also get to see the delight.
We don't have to write the feature and then write accessibility on top of it. Now it's all done once, and this really speeds up our velocity and our time to market.
The more people you include is the more business you're growing. It's very important for me to have my voice represented because it gives also the company a chance to improve, to make life better.
The biggest benefit that Applause adds to this is that they allow you to have this framework that truly is dynamic for your organization. They really take the time to understand what you're doing and what your needs are.
Applause has just helped us progress along the way and ensuring that we're taking steps towards that future that we want for ourselves and for our customers. It's not a program anymore, it's something that, it's who we are, it's what we do.